Two young men named Sentu Devnath and Pinku Ghosh were crushed to death by a TR01J 2913 Dzire Vehicle. The driver of Dzire Vehicle ran away leaving the vehicle after the incident. Incident took place at Mohanpur Taranagar village under Sidai police station at Khoi Agartala road.
On Friday night, a TR01J 2913 Dzire vehicle has crushed to death two young men named Sentu Devnath and Pinku Ghosh at Mohanpur Taranagar village under Sidai police station at Khoi Agartala road. They are a resident of Sidai Mohanpur. The driver of Dzire vehicle ran away leaving the vehicle after the incident. With the information came to know that on Friday night Sentu Devnath and Pinku Ghosh were going on the way to Sidai Mohanpur from Taranagar Trishgarh village on a bike. However, they were crushed to death by a TR01J 2913 Dzire vehicle on the spot in the Agartala Khwai road. The driver of Dzire vehicle ran away leaving the vehicle after the incident. The Sidai police has arrived at the incident place after they got the information. After that, the police has sent the corpse to the Mohanpur hospital for the post-mortem. The front bonnet of the Dzire vehicle was badly damaged in an accident. The local people were terrified by the incident, assuming that how much speed they were riding where they lost their life on the spot. Bureau report, Chini, Khorang.